Hello, children! Oh no, something is happening here. Look, my friend is going up the stairs and another friend is coming down. Up, down, up, down. Do you know what this is called?
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about up and down concept. Can you see the stairs? One child is going up the stairs. When we move from a lower place to a higher place, we say up. And look at the other child. He is coming down the stairs. When we move from a higher place to a lower place, we say down. Up means going higher. Down means coming lower. Can you show me with your hands? Hands up, hands down. Very good.
Hello, children. Every day we come to school. But have you ever thought, who helps us here? Who teaches us? Who keeps our school clean? Who keeps us safe?
Come back, children. Today we are going to learn about people in school. Tell me, do we come to school alone? No. Many people help us every day in school. Let us learn about them. This is our teacher. The teacher teaches us new things. She helps us read, write, and learn good manners. This is the helper. The helper keeps our classroom clean and neat. She helps the teacher and students. The driver safely takes us to school and brings us back home. This is the security guard. The security guard keeps our school safe. This is the sweeper. The sweeper cleans the school and keeps it tidy. Children, all these people work hard for us. We must respect them and say thank you. Let us always be kind and polite to everyone in school. Very good, children.
Hello, children. Today our teacher will teach us how to count backwards from 10 to 0 so we can help the rocket fly high into the sky. Are you ready to become space helpers?
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn something fun, that is backward counting. Backward counting means counting numbers from bigger to smaller. Look carefully, we will start from 10 and go back to 0. Let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, backward counting helps us in math, games, and even countdowns. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 69. 6 and 9 together make number 69. Hello, children. I am number 70. 7 and 0 together make number 70.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 69 and 70. This is number 69 and number 70. 6 and 9 together make number 69. The spelling of number 69 is S-I-X-T-Y-N-I-N-E 69. 7 and 0 together make number 70. The spelling of number 70 is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. Now, children, you count them one by one slowly and properly. Yes, there are a total of 69 balls and 70 hats. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am a sim. I help your mobile phone to make calls and use the internet.
Hi, friends. I am a rim. I am the round metal ring of a basketball net.
Hello, everyone. Him means a word we use for a boy or a man. Hello, children. When you combine things together, you mix them.
Hi, friends. Dim means when light is not bright, it is dim.
Hello, children. I am number 6. I come after 5 and before 7.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn the im and ix family words. When we add a letter before im, we make new words. Now let's read all the words together. Sim, rim, him, mix, dim, six. Let's understand their meanings. Sim is a small card used in a mobile phone. Rim is the round ring of a basketball net. Him is used for a boy or a man. Mix means to combine things together. Dim means not very bright. 6 is a number. Very good, children.
Hello, children. Look at me. I am going down. First number, 8, then 7, then 6, then 5.
Welcome back, children. Today we'll learn about descending numbers. Look carefully at the numbers on the board. Let's read them together. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now tell me, are the numbers getting bigger or smaller? Yes, they are getting smaller. See, we are starting from a big number 8. Then it becomes smaller 7, then smaller 6, and it keeps going down. When we arrange numbers from big to small, we call it descending order. Look at the arrow. It shows the direction, moving from bigger number to smaller number. Let's say together, big to small means descending order. Excellent, children.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's little me, counting on my finger pick. He. 4, 5, 5, 3. He.
Getting in a muddle now, this one sticks. Getting in a fix. 7, 8,
9.
there, that's fine. No need to worry now, no need to whine.
Here comes